Before I start my speech, I would like to just tell that the speech P3 has a specific objective and a general objective, and that forms the title of my speech as well. Speech is the joy of movies, the wonder of movies, and the specific part of this speech will be your top 10 all-time favorite movies. You can start with me. We all love movies, don't we? We enjoy movies. They bring so much magic and fun and color into our lives. I mean, different genres of movies such as comedy, action, romance, thrillers, suspense, all these. Without movies, our life would be without color. We wouldn't have so much fun and our lives would be quite dreary, so to speak. So I think everybody would agree with me that movies in our lives really make a difference. They really add value to movies. Now, psychologists say that when we actually go to see a movie in the theater or if you're sitting in front of your TV, there's a funny thing happens. We lose ourselves, we lose a sense of ourselves. We stop being us at that moment when we are engrossed in the movie. What happens is we start identifying with the characters in the movie, and identifying very strongly, our sense of self goes, we become the characters. We become the protagonist in the movie. It is a very strange and weird phenomena which psychologists have studied lots of times. It is such a phenomenon that when we are watching the movies, we forget our worries, we forget our fears, and sometimes we also forget our pains if we are in pain. So the wonder of the movies, the beauty of films is really terrific and it really adds to our lives. I am a movie fan and I watch movies more than I should actually. I really enjoy watching movies. Now, part of this movie is, I'd like to draw your attention to one kind of different aspect of it. The aspect is our all-time favorite movies. A list of top 10 movies which are your favorite of all time across genres, across language, across whatever. Why this thing? Long back I was sitting and maybe didn't have much to do. So like a thought experiment, I started thinking about my favorite top 10 movies which are there. And it was just a kind of time pass to kind of while away the time, and I started listing in my mind all the movies which I loved over the years. And I started juggling this list. I would take one movie and throw one movie out. And it was quite an interesting thought experiment whenever I had free time to sit. And what happened during this time as I continued exploring this, something very profound happened. I started recognizing how these movies had played an important part in my life. From my childhood till now, through the different stages of my life, how they have come and impacted me. These movies really made a huge difference in my life. What I realized was this movie, the top 10 movie list, each individual has a different list, completely varied. It's like an emotional fingerprint. Nobody's top 10 movie list, once you give it enough thought and you compile it, is the same. Everybody has different movie lists. Even married couples who've been married for years and know each other for years, if you make their top 10 movie list, it will be completely different. What is not odd is not the similarities in the list. What is odd is the differences. Sometimes differences among friends and married couple can be so different. I have a small suggestion. Why don't we replace Kundlis with the top 10 movie list and then compare the couples? Maybe marriages will last a little bit much longer. We can take it further. Maybe we can replace resumes with the top 10 movie list, right? I have a business, I could interview people, and instead of asking for his resume, I said, come and list down your top 10 favorite movies of all time. Then I'll look at it. Interesting? Okay, would you hire somebody whose top 10 movies include the Godfather series and Sarkar? Or would you hire somebody whose top 10 movies include animated films? Would you give somebody responsibility who loves Delhi Belly? Right? So it could be a nice, it's a nice thought experiment. I don't suppose anybody will try it. It's a nice thought experiment. Personally, for me, this list has opened up a lot of different aspects in my own life as I examined it. I started remembering when I saw those movies, who I saw it with, how many times I saw them, where I was in life and how they helped me or didn't help me, whether they taught me anything. It is an emotional journey when you compile this list. It sounds very trivial, but it's actually quite a profound experience when you do. And when you compare it with your friends and family, it can be quite fun. For example, a few days back, a friend came over in the evening to have a chat with us, and we sat for hours reminiscing about old movies and about our favorite movies. And it was a fun and nostalgic journey down memory lane. Now, in case you are all wondering what my favorite movies are, I'll quickly take you to the list. Top 10 favorite movies. I might miss a few, so don't mind. I'll just quickly go. One of the movies I love is Kung Fu Panda. I know it's a kids animation movie, but it's a very beautiful spiritual story as well. Another movie I like is The Last Samurai, Tom Cruise, which is again got a very spiritual, so I have kind of spiritual theme going through my movies. I also like action. I like Rambo. I like Rocky IV, right? Which is the other movie I like? I like a very weird science fiction movie called K-Pax. I highly recommend all of you to see it. It's kind of offbeat movie. And I guess he's nodding, I think he might know K-Pax. Kevin Spacey, correct. Thank you. Now, when somebody looks at my list, they look at my list and say, this is a list of a 10-year-old kid. And I say, I'm very happy to hear that. Because in my heart, I am a 10-year-old and my movie list reflects that. So I would heartily recommend, do this exercise, very fun. Compile your top 10 movies list. Do it with a lot of sincerity and a lot of thought. Have fun. Share it with your friends and family. See what comes out of it. It is a very nice thing to do. Hope you enjoyed the speech. Thank you very much.